Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to study the reaching the age of adolescence. We already started the last class. What is adolescent? The period of time the body undergoes some certain changes taking place in the body of both boys and girls. That is called adolescence. Adolescence starts at the age of 11 and it ends at 18 or 19. So this age is called teenagers. Both boys and girls are also called teenagers. 19, 17, 18, 19. Okay. And there are some certain changes taking place in the body of both boys and girls. In this time, it produces wet and sebaceous glands, and there are some secondary sexual characters are also produced in their bodies. Some hormones, endocrine glands secreted some hormones, and these hormones also control all the activities in their bodies. Today we are going to discussing the reproductive phase of life in humans. Adolescents become capable of reproduction when their testes and ovaries produce their gametes. In females, the reproductive phase of life begins at puberty at the age of 10 or 12 years, and generally it lasts still at the age of approximately 45 to 50 years. The ova begins to mature the onset of puberty. One ovum matures and released in each ovaries about 28 to 30 days. During this period, the wall of the uterus becomes very thick and ready to receive an egg. In case the fertilization taking place or this egg is fertilized, it begins to develop. The fertilization does not occur. The released egg and thicker lining of the uterus along with some blood vessels are shed off. This causes bleeding in women. It is called menstruation, and this process is called menstruation. So the fertilization does not occur. What happened? The released egg and thicker lining of the uterus and along with some blood vessels are released or shed off from the female body, and the process is called menstruation, bleeding in woman. Menstruation occurs about once in 28 to 30 days. The first menstrual flow starts at to puberty stage, and it is called menarche. At 45 to 50 years, the menstrual cycle will become stops, and the stage is called menopause. So menstruation is first stage is called menarche, and at the age of 45 to 50 years, menstrual flow is stopped. So this is called menopause. Inside the fertilized egg or zygote, instruction for determining the sex of the baby. The baby is boy or girl. We already know that nucleus contains some thread-like structures called a chromosome. Chromosome contains genes. We know that all human beings containing 23 pairs of chromosomes inside the nucleus. Out of these 23 pair of chromosomes, one pair of chromosome is called a sex chromosome, that is X and Y. A female has 2 X chromosomes, but male has only 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. The unfertilized egg always has only 1 X chromosome. When a sperm containing S chromosome, it fertilizes in the female S chromosome. It produces the child is girl. 2 X chromosome will get that zygote. The same time, the sperm produces 1 Y chromosome. If the sperm contributes the Y chromosome to the egg, it fuses and it produces a baby boy. That is X and Y chromosome. So, the sex chromosomes of the father determine the sex of the baby, unborn baby. Okay, dear children, everybody should read the textbook carefully. Your notes will send through the WhatsApp. Thank you.